guys, it's me, Cierra. I just looked up on Google and I found out our mysterious egg is a robin. Hadn't hatched yet, but he's almost hatching. He's getting there. Well, yeah, he's really tiny than the other eggs, but he's almost hatched because I can feel him and all that. Just got back from the hospital, well, emergency room last night at like 12 o'clock. And I found out he's a robin, so my nose is itching. Well, just want to tell you guys that whoever's watching, Mama, Nanny, I know you're there. Okay, bye.